Hello, welcome to the Great Garden channel. The Zamioculcas plant has long been loved by many people, not only for its glossy green and strong appearance, but also for its symbolic meaning of luck, wealth, and prosperity. But if your plant has yellowing leaves, wilting, slow growth, or does not produce new shoots, it is very likely that the plant is having problems with care or nutrition. In today's video, I will share a simple method to care for Zamioculcas at home, using only familiar ingredients available in the kitchen that anyone can easily prepare. This method helps the plant grow better, with lush green leaves and many new branches. If you also love Zamioculcas and want your plant pot to always stay green and healthy, please subscribe to the channel and leave a comment so I can share more simple and effective plant care tips in the upcoming videos. Let's get started. This is a Zamioculcas plant that is currently in a wilted condition. The leaves are gradually turning yellow and the plant looks quite weak. The leaves are no longer glossy green like before, and some leaves have started to soften and droop, making the whole pot lose its original fresh appearance. To revive and restore this Zamioculcas plant, I will begin by using charcoal powder as an ingredient. But first, I want to share 3 important tips with you. Before applying organic fertilizer to help Zamioculcas grow well, you should keep the following things in mind. First, Zamioculcas is not a plant that likes strong, direct sunlight. If placed under direct sunlight for too long, the leaves will gradually turn yellow and the plant may become weak. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language, comment below, and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Second, Zamioculcas does not need to be watered every day. In the roots of the plant, there are tubers that help store water, so if you water too much, the plant can easily become waterlogged and the roots may rot. Third, the organic fertilizer that I'm about to share is very rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, and boron, which helps Zamioculcas grow healthier. Now, let's begin preparing the ingredients to make fertilizer for Zamioculcas. First, I will use charcoal powder. This is charcoal powder that I ground from these charcoal pieces. You can easily grind charcoal by crushing, blending, or pounding it until it becomes very fine. Charcoal powder helps improve soil aeration, retain moderate moisture, and support healthier root development. Next, prepare a clean glass cup, like in the video. Then add 1 spoon of charcoal powder into the cup. Charcoal powder contains many natural minerals that help improve soil quality, remove odors, and limit harmful bacteria. The next ingredient I use is coffee. Coffee contains many organic substances and minerals, such as nitrogen, potassium, and magnesium, which help improve soil nutrition, stimulate root growth, and help Zamioculcas grow greener and healthier. Add 1 spoon of coffee together with the charcoal powder. Next, pour about 500 milliliters of hot water into the cup. Then use a spoon to stir well so that the nutrients in the charcoal powder and coffee dissolve into the water. Stirring well helps the ingredients mix evenly and allows the minerals and organic substances in the mixture to be released into the water more effectively. Finally, cover it and let the solution steep for 1 hour. After 1 hour, when the solution has cooled, I filter out the residue and keep only the liquid. This liquid now contains nutrients dissolved from the charcoal powder and coffee, which are very beneficial for the growth of Zamioculcas. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. Next, add 1 liter of water to dilute the solution. Now, we have obtained a natural nutrient solution for the plant. Method 1. First, pour the coffee and charcoal solution into a clean glass cup. Then use cotton or a soft cloth to soak up the diluted solution and gently wipe both the upper and lower surfaces of the Zamioculcas leaves. This method helps remove dust and long-standing residue from the leaf surface, keeping the leaves clean and well ventilated, which supports the plant's photosynthesis process more effectively. The nutrients from coffee and charcoal, such as natural minerals and organic substances, also help nourish the leaves, making them greener, thicker, and glossier. You can wipe the leaves about once a month, or whenever you see a lot of dust on them, to keep your Zamioculcas pot fresh and attractive. Method 2. Pour the diluted coffee and charcoal solution into a spray bottle. Then lightly and evenly mist it onto the Zamioculcas, especially around the base and the soil surface near the roots. This spraying method helps the natural nutrients from coffee and the minerals in charcoal powder penetrate the soil more quickly, helping the roots absorb nutrients more effectively. As a result, the Zamioculcas receives additional essential micronutrients, helping the roots grow stronger, making the soil looser, and allowing the plant to grow steadily with thick, green, glossy leaves. You can apply this method about 1 to 2 times per month to help the Zamioculcas grow well and maintain long-lasting vitality. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. Method 3. Pour the diluted coffee and charcoal solution into a clean watering can, then water slowly and evenly around the base of the Zamioculcas so the solution gradually seeps into the soil. Coffee contains many organic substances and minerals such as nitrogen, potassium, and magnesium, while charcoal powder provides additional natural minerals and helps make the soil more porous. This combination helps stimulate root development, nourish strong roots, and support Zamioculcas leaves to become darker green, thicker, and shinier. The natural nutrients from coffee and charcoal also help improve soil quality, creating a favorable environment for the roots to absorb nutrients effectively and grow steadily. Results after 2 months. After about 2 months of applying this method, The Zamioculcas plant will begin to show very noticeable changes. Many new shoots and leaf buds will appear from the base of the plant. The branches grow stronger and taller than before. The new leaves emerge dark green, thick and glossy, making the whole plant pot look lush and full of life. The root system below also develops more strongly, firmly anchoring into the soil and absorbing nutrients more effectively. Thanks to this, the Zamioculcas grows steadily, continuously producing new branches, and sometimes the stems may even grow long and bend downward because of vigorous growth. If you patiently apply this method correctly, your Zamioculcas pot will become greener, healthier, and more beautiful over time. This is a well-deserved result for patience and proper care. When nurtured properly, the plant will respond with lasting vitality and elegant beauty. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the Great Garden channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss simple yet effective plant care tips. See you again in the next videos on the Great Garden channel.